How to tag everyone on WhatsApp group. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can tag everyone on your WhatsApp group. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is make sure that you have your WhatsApp app and you're logged into your account. After you've done that, you can simply open up your WhatsApp. And after you've opened up your WhatsApp, head over to the group where you want to tag everyone. Now, you might think that there is an option that allows you to tag everyone all at once, such as @everyone. So let's check if that works. And as you can see, if I do that, it does not actually work. So what you'll need to do to tag everyone is that, you will just need to type in the @ sign. And after that, this will pop up. This will be the list of people on your group. And simply you will need to tap on each and every one of those members. So after you do that, simply tap on send and you're basically good to go. That is how you can tag everyone on your WhatsApp group, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.